Welcome back to Guga Food, guys. Today, Wagyu sandwich. Let's do it. Yes, it is a Wagyu sandwich, man. There's only one way to find out if a Wagyu sandwich is worth doing it or not, so I am going to be running that test for you guys and sacrificing myself, if you call that sacrifice. I'm going to be making Japanese katsu sando style sandwich, and this is how. I started off by slicing this beautiful freshly baked white bread. And for the meat, I'm using this beautiful Australian score marbling 7 Wagyu. As you guys know, Wagyu is not cheap, so I am going to be making 3 sandwiches. One is going to be 1.5 inch thick, and the other one I'm going to split it in half and see if there's any difference or not. I'm seasoning them with salt and pepper. I want to monitor the meat as it's cooking to make sure that I get perfect doneness. So I'm using the meter, which is a wireless thermometer. And if you're interested in finding out more information, just check out the description down below. Now all there's left to do is bread and deep fry these bad boys. Remember, exact amount and ingredients on the description down below. Now these steaks are ready to be fried. I'm going to be frying them at 375 degrees Fahrenheit. This is Japanese spicy mayo, and if you're interested in learning how to make it, just check out the description down below. I got my good nephew, and he has behaved very well. And today you're gonna try the Wagyu sandwich. Are you ready, Angel?
Oh, yes.
You cannot say Wagyu sandwich without laughing. Do you agree?
That's insane.
So, Angel, we have a small one and we have a big one. And for the audience, since you guys are gonna do this, we wanna know which one is better. To make it really big or to make it smaller? Which one you wanna try first?
You know, bigger's better, bro.
Go big or go home?
Go big or go home.
Enough talking, let's try this thing and how it tastes. All right, let's go for the big one. You go for that one, and we'll go for this one. You ready for this?
Okay.
All right, let's go.
Oh boy.
Hold on one second, because this is a special event.
Oh my God.
When you squeeze it, guys, I know you won't be able to tell, but when you squeeze it, oh, it's juicy.
Bro, I can't wait, bro.
Huh?
I can't wait, let's go.
We got an airplane coming. We have to wait for the airplane. Are you ready?
I'm not ready, bro.
No? This is too exciting for you?
All right, let's go, let's go.
All right, let's do it. Enough talking. Let's go.
Bro.
Wow.
Mmm.
You bite it, you don't want the bite to stop. Oh, that's... Today, I'm gonna say it. Delicious! Do you agree?
100 times delicious, bro.
Wow, it is fantastic in every single way. Everything that you might be expecting, multiply that by 20,
No, 1,000.
by 1,000, and
So
that's
good.
exactly what it is.
Dude.
Hold on, we have to do it again. Oh,
I don't know if
look
you
at-
saw. I bit it, and the juices like
It just falls off.
splashed on me, basically.
Let's do it again, yes? One more
Oh, you
before
don't
we
have
try.
to-
Let's go.
You don't have to. Mmm.
Wow.
Guga, you know what you get, bro?
Let's take a second and remember this moment. Tell me.
You know what you get, bro?
Mm,
You don't get a fist bump today.
what do I get?
You get a good hug, bro.
Oh my
You get a good hug,
God.
bro.
Wow. Since this boy was born, he never hugged me. Wow. Wagyu make peace in the world, huh?
Bro, you.
Let's try the second one first. Come on, Angel. Come on, Angel. Let's try the little one. Let the audience want us to try the little one. Because if the little one is as good as the big one, then you can make a bunch. Do you agree? You don't want to talk. Enjoy it, Angel. Enjoy it. It is amazing, everybody. It is amazing. What do you think, Angel?
Delicious.
Angel,
No, delicious.
you don't even want...
There's nothing, bro. I might take another bite if we don't.
All right, let's go ahead and try the second.
It's like perfectly medium rare and everything. It's
I agree. All right, let's try the little one. Let's try the little one, Angel.
bro. Guga.
Ooh, ooh, look at this.
Oh, I have one right here. Look.
I know we probably look very, very bobos. No, I know we probably, I know we probably look very stupid right now. But trust me, you would be doing the same if you're trying this. All right, Angel, let's try. It's just as good. Oh my Lord. Peace in the world.
I can't even think, bro. You know what I think, bro?
What do you think?
You see this?
Yeah.
Delicious.
All right.
So good, man.
We gotta come back to earth. We gotta concentrate here because we
No,
can't
man.
concentrate.
We gotta finish.
All right, we gotta finish this because everyone else wants to try it in the house as well. Notice that there's only 2 in the table and I made 3. So we gotta give everybody a chance. Let me say this. This is an experience, all right?
Oh, yeah.
You're not going to be eating this every single day. It costs money, but it's worth every single penny. You have to experience this. I don't know how to describe it. It is incredible, fantastic, amazing, delicious. Combined together, times 1,000, like Angel said.
Times
Agree?
a million.
It doesn't really matter if you make the big one or the little one. They're both fantastic.
I think if you're gonna make it sandwiches like this, which the sandwiches are really, really good.
Do it with the little one.
You do it with the little one.
Do
that
it-
way you got more. That way you
Do
can
it
share
with the
more.
little one. You will share more with your family, and it's just as good as the big one.
Yeah, it tastes just
Do
fine.
the little one.
And it's
all right?
easier to bite. You don't have to like This is
Yeah,
Yeah.
it's fantastic. You have to experience this, everybody. It's really fantastic. I'm telling you right now. So just to recap, I cooked it at 375 degrees Fahrenheit, the oil, and the big one was cooked for 5 minutes. The little one was cooked for 3 minutes. That was the perfect timing, and it came out perfect. Do you agree?
Can I keep eating?
We're gonna go ahead and finish this video right now because we're gonna enjoy. I really hope you enjoyed this video. If you do, make sure you give it a thumbs up. If you're not a subscriber, be sure to subscribe for future videos. And remember, if you're interested in anything I use, everything is on the description down below. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you guys on the next one. Take care. Bye-bye. We out.
Oh, this is Japanese.
We have to say thank you to our Japanese friends. Are you ready?
Okay.
Arigatou
Arigatou
gozaimasu.
gozaimasu.
Thank you very much. We'll see you on the next one, everybody. Take care. Bye-bye.